Hey guys, we are back with Spirit YouTube. I was just waiting for this dumb thing to start. So we ain't gonna be preaching, alright? We gonna be police. This is another police. Whoop, whoop. We need shotgun. It go bang bang, right? It go bang bang. Now let's go back. I'm watching you. No one bestowed my key, ha. Nope. Alright, let's go, mate. Did I get the money? No. You suck. You know that, right? Yeah, I do know that. Yeah, but I'm a copper, Dumbo. Hey, open up. I lock seats so nobody get in here, okay? Dude, he's already arrested. He's dumb. Okay, so let's go and find some dumb criminals to arrest. So you better not dance and okay, I'm just singing. So if this gets copyrighted, I am pounding YouTube. Dang it. I want to try and get that trick shot. Ooh, oh, come on. We almost had that trick shot. Get me out of here! Ah! Why is this same guy, Tornado Al? He's trying. Also, I will do I'm gonna do this video where I have a Twitter account, so I'll link down in the description. But, so I'll leave my Twitter in the link below, and you guys can yell at me what truth or dares you want me to do. Cause I could do any dare. Cause I can get one of my friends. You know my friend Tim, aka Mirthblade? If you do, from one of my other videos, I'm just doing donuts. So I'm gonna try and get another video with him, and we'll do some truth or dares, and I'll get him to get a private server. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 no, no, no. Why are you trying to shoot me? Gotcha! Am I just a savage or what? Well, how'd you break out, you hacker? Yeah, he's a hacker. Shout out to Aiden, my friend Aiden. Wait, let me pronounce this correctly for ya. Aiden! Ah! Where's Aiden? Aiden, comment in the comments below, and then I'll be like, what? I'm never using my webcam anymore, okay? You can unsubscribe from me if you want, if you don't want to see my webcam. But, you has of all musts, you cans. Woo! Dang it. Right, this is getting kind of boring, so let's play Neighborhood of Robloxia. Nope, you never saw that. Okay, so let's go on Neighborhood of Robloxia. Yay! I has to be about doing it. Okay, so let's get in here. Alright, we gonna pull some people over, okay? We gonna go on patrol. I will be like, you be like, what? What we gonna do? I was playing on my Xbox before I did this video, and I went to watch YouTube on it after I was done getting bored of playing my game. So, what is he making? I wish I could show you, but I don't want to, cause I don't got to. No. I am outside. Okay, there's my car. Oh! Wee, wee, wee. Okay, let's just reset, because I think it will work. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Oh my god, it still does the same thing. Oh! Um, oh, so I just did that for nothing. What the? Oh my god. Respawn. Now work this time. Work, 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 work. Okay, I am having so much issues. Yay! We did it! Go me, go me, go, go, go me. Yay! Let's go on patrol. We don't pull over this guy for no reason. Run always, mate. Get over here. We're gonna go through that place. Pull over. We gotta turn the sounds off. We gotta go pull. Okay. You're under our roofs because you stole a baby. Because you stole a baby. You stole a baby. You don't know. Okay, read that, guys. Like that. Oh my God, it's fun. Oh, she left. Wow. I got a baton. You like? Also, make sure you subscribe. And there's not much people on this game. Okay? Okay, let's go get some gas because I'm running out. I'm going to sell this car. I don't want to be a cop anymore. So I'm just going to play around now. Alright. So, we're coming on the video here for, this is part 2. Ask me in the comments if you need another part or a mix of games. Yes, mix of games, and I'll get my Twitter link and I'll copy it, and then you can go there, make your account, tell me what dares or truths you want me to do. Alright, so I hope you liked the video. Yeah, like I said, subscribe, like, comment if you don't have a Twitter account. Okay, bye-bye, peoples.